Hello guys, there we have a Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I will show you how you can turn off app tracking on this device. So you can do it on any app what you have installed on your phone, and if you want to do it, just go to the settings and slide down to the apps sections. Now choose it and look for the app that you want to turn off the tracking. I will choose the Google Chrome. Now go to the permissions. Like how you can see, Chrome have a location permissions on my phone, and if you want to turn it off, just tap on it and choose don't allow. Click don't allow anyway, and how you can see now Google Chrome cannot track my phone anymore. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.